Hello everyone, welcome to Lakshmi Sprouting Seeds. This video is on small green harvest in my garden. Please watch till end. If you like the content, hit a like button and do share it with your friends. Thank you in advance. This is a spinach variety. Its scientific name is Talinum fruticosum. It's also known by the name Florida spinach, water leaf, Ceylon spinach and many other names. In Telugu it's known as Ceylon bachali. Different names it has. It's mostly grown as a green leafy vegetable. It bears small beautiful pink flowers. The leaves are little sour in taste and it's rich in vitamin A and C and minerals like iron and calcium. And this is one single plant. I have been pinching it now and then, so that had made it so bushy. The more you pinch it, the more bushier the plant will become. So the place where I have pinched it near the node areas, again 2 branches will be coming. It is used to make variety of dishes like pulao. It's also used in dals and even in fish curry recipes. And this is very easily propagated by cuttings. This also have grown in the same way. One more thing, it's rich in oxalic acid. So the people or the persons who are suffering with issues like kidney disorders or arthritis, they should not or avoid taking this Ceylon spinach. This is Indian sorrel or sorrel. I have already made a video on this. We'll place the link in the iCard and you can also see it in the channel. In southern India it's most popular. It's known as chukkakura. Because of its taste, it's very famous. It used in both vegetarian and non-vegetarian dishes. Mostly it's used as in dals or as chutneys. Even in non-veg items like with chicken also it pairs very well. And these seeds I'm removing because I don't want the seeds now. As of now I want more of the leaves. So every week I get this quantity. There are 3 plants. This is purslane, the edible one, and this is the ornamental one. Now the stem, leaves, flower, buds, all are edible. This is Malabar spinach, the green variety. It's mostly bushy one. So this I have grown with the help of seed and it can easily be grown by stem cutting also. Have been pinching the leaves, so that had made it this big. Now this is red variety of Malabar spinach. This I have grown from seed itself. Now it's growing very small. Here another one I have. And see here again we have this edible one. Now this purslane, it's like a weed. One plant you have, your whole garden will have it. Can you guess these? These are the small samplings of purslane. See, here is the first leaf. The seeds are so tiny, they are very smaller than the mustard seeds. So easily they get spread by wind. So everywhere you can see in your garden if you have one plant. It's like a weed. That's why it's also known as duckweed. Justifies the name. This is methi or fenugreek, well known to everyone. Channel's first video was growing fenugreek or methi hydroponically, that I do. So wherever I get place in the garden, I place methi over there because this is the fastest growing one. Within 3 days I get this. So I would prefer first to grow methi. And it enhances the flavor of the dish. So it's loved by everyone. Initially when I placed the seeds, all the birds ate it. Now these are all the left one. Now from the small pot I have harvested it thrice. This second one has to be done yet. Next one is the pesticides or the pest attacks. Haven't seen more because have been pinching him every week. So as the new leaf emerges, I pinch them. So that has reduced the pest attack. And fertilizers, all the nutrients are available in the compost, so I didn't give anything. We'll see further. And for kids it is, and if you don't have any grow bags, you can also use the older oil cans or any boxes. They easily grow in them. So request everyone to grow your own greens, eat green, stay healthy. Thanks for watching.